What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making corn maque choux. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you need corn, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow onion, jalapeno pepper, garlic, smoked sausage, butter, heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, sugar, Creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Begin by shaving the corn off the cob. Diced smoked sausage, mince 4 cloves of garlic, dice half a yellow onion, dice a green bell pepper, dice a half a red bell pepper, dice a jalapeno, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a cast iron skillet and brown the smoked sausage. Once browned, remove the smoked sausage, add a bit more oil and the veggies. Sauté for 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add minced garlic. Add corn. Add the smoked sausage back. Add a half cup of chicken broth. Add a half cup of heavy whipping cream. Season with Creole Seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Give it a good mix and cook on a medium heat for 8 minutes. And there you have it, corn maque choux. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.